Yo, what's up everyone? Alien the Resident, Sound Last Signal, about to show you how to ghetto soundproof a closet. Well, here's a fucking closet. There ain't nothing fucking special about it, it's a closet. Basically, what I'm about to tell y'all is something you guys probably didn't know. All inside walls are not insulated. You know what I mean? Walls on the inside, like this wall right here, that's an inside wall. Right here. That's an inside wall. That's an outside wall. Outside walls are already insulated. Inside walls are not. You can even hear the difference. Heavily insulate this wall, right here. I'm not gonna do the bottom piece. I'm gonna probably do from like right there up. So I'm gonna do all this, that, this piece, and then probably a little bit right here. And the door, I ain't gonna fuck with the door. I only got like 3 pieces cut right now, and what that is that's duct board. Let's start off by doing this wall right here.
Take a look at this. It's going to go up to 5 feet. Now we got no other gun.
Bam! Like I said, it ain't perfect, but it's gonna do the fucking job, kids.
No blood on this.
So if anything, I'm gonna do one on this corner and one on the bottom corner. Just trying to patch up all the fucking areas that are not insulated. Like I said, all inside walls. Bam, like I said, I got that piece in there. All I used was one fucking screw there, one screw there. This shit is not heavy. They don't take many screws to hold it up. Don't freaking kill yourself putting 3,000 holes in this shit. Once again, YouTube people, I'm my ghetto insulators, ghetto soundproofers. Check it. Like I said, all inside walls are not insulated. Outside walls are. And then right here on the edges, on these edges, you got like free insulation. So what I'm gonna do afterwards is I'm gonna tape all the edges. That way that insulation doesn't break through when motherfuckers are rhyming and shit. Only thing I didn't think about too much is these screws that go right through this duct board. So do differently. I mean, this is still gonna work, but just grab some washers, just some washers to use on this, just to hold the duct board more. Cause even right there, you already got that shit trying to rip through that bitch. You know what I mean? These are the interior walls that are not insulated, so I insulated them with a different material, which is duct board. You can find this at your local HVAC warehouse, supply house. It ain't the best looking shit, but hey, like I said, ghetto soundproofing 1-0 motherfucking 1. The next step is putting tape on all the pieces that have exposed insulation. Like right here, all that area has to get taped up. That way all that shit don't come loose when you're rhyming and shit. See all this shit right there? But yeah, I'm gonna cover anything that, any type of insulation that I can see. trying to avoid any insulation coming loose. But I'm over here trying to rock some shit, getting my throat, choke me the fuck up. This is ghetto shit right here though, keeping it raw from the streets.
Check it out, y'all, check it out. We can all get high if we want now. Get a flat piece of the pie if we want. Motherfuckers getting mad high when they want now. I will survive, recognize what get the cat.
The Los Angeles Fabulous. Yo. Warcloud, the Scarecrow, Leviathan, the Great Chief. Yo. How we rockin'? Yo. Oh, how we rockin'? Mike's turntables, break cans and records. 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 Hey yo, my pen is a merciless sword that burns you open. Blow your arms and legs in a big barrel of vinegar. Cutie little men in green uniform. Want to hurt Warcloud. Warcloud smash the planet crash. Deep in the sun, I'm awfully unstable. Spin like a quarter on the edge of a coffee table. Sterling rack cap motherfuckers like AKs. Been next.
Got all the little corners. Don't gotta look perfect, it just has to be there so we avoid any mishaps, breathing in any bullshit. So like I said, YouTube people, like I said, yo, everybody watching this shit, exterior walls are insulated, interior walls are not insulated. I'll catch you on the next one.